Hello everyone. Today, let's talk about the poem, Ozymandias by Percy Bysshe Shelley. At first glance, the poem seems to describe a broken statue in the desert. But as we look deeper, it reveals ideas about power, pride, and time. The poem begins with a traveler who describes a ruined statue from an ancient civilization. Only two huge stone legs remain standing, while the face lies broken and half buried in the sand. This scene shows that even the greatest rulers and civilizations do not last forever. The expression on the statue's face is revealing. The frown, wrinkled lip, and cold sneer suggest that Ozymandias was proud and commanding. He believed himself powerful and above others. Yet, despite this confidence, his empire has completely disappeared. The sculptor captured the king's personality in stone. While the king's power faded, the artist's work survived, reminding us that creative expression can last longer than authority or wealth. The words on the pedestal say, "My name is Ozymandias, King of Kings. Look on my works, the mighty, and despair." These words were meant to show greatness. But now they sound ironic, as nothing remains except empty desert. Through this image, the poem shows that time and nature are stronger than human pride. In the end, Ozymandias reminds us that no matter how powerful someone is, time eventually turns everything to dust. True meaning lies not in power or monuments, but in what we create and the values we leave behind. Thank you for watching.